frog's breath will overpower any odor.
Bitter.
Worms work. Where is that worms work?
Sally, that soup ready yet?
Coming! Lunch!
Ah, what's that? Wormswort. And frog's breath.
What's wrong? I thought you liked frog's breath.
Nothing's more suspicious than frog's breath. Until you taste it, I won't swallow a spoonful.
I'm not hungry. Whoops.
You want me to starve? An old man like me who hardly has strength as it is. Me, to whom you owe your very life.
Oh, don't be silly. See? Scrumptious.
Okay, you can stop now.